Sabi mo hindi mo kilala personally si Billy Ong at saka si Eddie Yang? Si Eddie Yang hindi mo kilala?
Nakilala ko po, Your Honor, nung pumunta po sa munisipyo, nagpakilala po sila, Your Honor.
Sandali, yung sa munisipyo lang ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yun lang? Oh, now, eto Mayor Tumang, nagsisinungaling ka. Di ba naimbitahan kayo doon sa China?
Yes po,
At
Your Honor.
kasama niyo si Eddie Yang?
Yes po, Your
Oh,
Honor.
now you're telling me that sa munisipyo lang?
Nung
Don't lie. You're lying.
Hindi.
Anong hindi? May mga picture kayo abroad. You were invited and you represent Mexico, Pampanga in that travel with Eddie Yang. And it's Eddie Yang that introduced all of you, and that includes the former governor and the governor to the ambassador.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon, di mo kilala? Mr. Chairman,
Hindi ko lang po
with that, Mr. Chairman, I have warned you, patensyahan po tayo. I move to cite in contempt, Mayor Tumang.
Your Honor, can I explain po para makuha niyo po yung point ko?
Sandali po.
Please po, Your Honor.
Sandali po. You're not yet recognized. Mr. Chairman, once again, I move to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang in violation of our Section 11, Paragraph B. Refusal and evading to answer questions of the members of this committee. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, can you please give me a chance to explain? Hindi po kasi ano yung exact gusto niyong
Mr. Chairman, the question is very simple.
Just a 1-minute suspension.
Mayor, try mo mag-explain. Kasi syempre yung personal, hindi naman yung personal na...
Hindi ko naman kakilala talaga. Nakilala ako lang sa munisipyo.
Opo, emphasize mo na yung meeting sa China after
Yes.
nagpunta sila sa munisipyo.